Hello and welcome to SudoKanard. We are here to solve this sum-frame Sudoku puzzle by Indian authors for the Sudoku Mahabharat. And the special rule here is just that those numbers are each time the sum of the first three digits in a corresponding direction. So 10 is the sum of those three digits, 15 is the sum of those three, 18 is the sum of those. And the first thing we can see is that there are sums that are missing, but we can't compute them because we know that inside a box, 9 digits add up to 45. So we can find the missing sums. Let's choose. So this will be 16. What am I doing? Sorry about that. So this will be 16, this will be 20, 31, so that's 14, 26, 19, 26, 19, 27, so that's 18, 28, 17, 29, 16, 28, 17, 33, so that's 12, 30, that's 15, 29, that's 16. So for a start, we have all sums. And you may wonder, and you should wonder, what the sum is, what the sums are for this box, and we can deduce that because all digits in this row add up to 45 as well. So we have 32, the remaining digits must add up to 12. And actually we can do all of this, 25, that makes 20, 35, that's 10, 30, that's 15, 34, that's 11, 24, that's 21, 39, that's 6, 30, that's 15, 31, 24, 31, 14, 36, that's 9, 33, 23, sorry, that's 22. All right, I want to read them all, especially knowing that it can be a bit of struggle to pronounce all those numbers, but I've chosen to do this video, so it's gonna be it. I think everything here is correct. They add up as they should. All right, let's move on to Sudoku. 6 is very restricted. It has to be 1, 2, and 3. 24 here is restricted. It has to be 7, 8, 9. Therefore, this is 4, 5, 6, which add up to 15. That's all right. Now, how do we make this 12? You can see that 1 plus 4 plus 7 is 12, and that's the minimum value, so those are the correct values. What am I doing? 23, that must be 6, 8, and 9. And therefore, we get 2, 3, and 5 for this 10 clue. Here we have a sum of 20. We can't use the 2. And this sum of 10 will use digit 1, but 1 won't be enough for a sum of 20, so 1 is here. And the missing digit is either 7, 6, or 4. But here we need another 14 without using 5, so there must be 6 and 8. So that's not a 6, and actually the digits are 4, 7, and 9. And then I removed 6, so I must remove 3 here. 6 and 8, so that's a 9, that's a 5, and we complete with a 3. So those are fulfilled. And the missing digits here are 1, 3, 5, that's 9, all right, and 2, 4, and 7. Let's have a look what happens here. Or here perhaps we need 11, so 9 won't be possible here. Actually, 9 won't work here because 22 needs a 9. The options for 22 are 679 and 589. So there's a 9 somewhere here. So we can remove 9 from this and put a 9 in here. And actually, to fulfill this 21, we must take the maximum digits. And I don't see we can do anything more here. 8 here. Knowing that it can't use a 5, it must be 1, 3, 4. And we have 2, 6, 8, that's 16, that's correct. Now 22 here, won't use the 2, it will use a 9, that's here, and the missing digit is either 5 or 7. 5 with 8, 7 with 6. Here I need another 10. Without using any even digit, without using 9, there must be 3 and 7. So that's 1, that's 3, that's 5. So now this 22 is 6, 7, 9, and this is 8, this is 6. 11 plus 2 is 13, that's a 4, and here this is 1 and 4. To complete this 22, this is 8. Now those 3 digits must add up to 9. And something interesting here is first that this can't be 7, 7 would be too much. And the other thing is that this, well, 6 is too much. But what I was about to say is that we can just use parity. This plus that is odd, and we need an odd sum, so this must be even. And we complete with 2 and 6 to achieve the desired values. Here we have 2, 5, and 8. This here must have a sum of 20, so 1 and 2 are not possible. Because of this, the sum here must be 16 or 17, and the only possible way is to have 8 and 9, and that's a 3. Here we need 13, 7 plus 6, 6 plus 7, and actually if I put a 6 here, I must have 7 for this, but because this is 2 or 5, this would have to be 2 or 5 as well. So that's not a 6, that's a 7, that's a 6. And I can't do anything more, I think, with this. 15 here. So 9 it can't be here, because the minimum would be 17, so 9 is here. For this 20, it could be 5, 6, or 3, 8. That would achieve the correct value. For this 15, this is even, so those must have opposite parity, but that's not very useful, I think. Where should I look now? There's an 8 somewhere here and an 8 somewhere here. So they both include a 1. And the decompositions are 1, 2, 5 and 1, 3, 4. So we can see that this must be 1 or 5, and this also must be 1 or 5. But 1 won't work with 19, because the other 2 digits can't add up to 18, so 1 is here, that's 5, that's 1. But 17 is possible with 7 and 9, and there I get 6 and 8. There's a 6, 8 pair here, that's interesting. But first, let's have a look at this 5. That's a 2. That's a 3. That's 8 and 6 here. That's 9, that's 9 as well. Alright. Oh, but this 6 makes this 8 and this 6. Here I must have another 13, which can only be achieved by 4 and 9. So this is 7 and 2, 4 and 5. Here I need 3 and 7, so 3 is here, 7 is there, that's 12, that's 14, that's here 18, that's correct. Here I need 1, 2 and 9, but this can't be 9. Here I need 3, 5 and 8, so this is 5. Here I need 4, 6 and 7. That's not 6, that's not 7. Here I need 13, so this plus that must be 8, that's not 4. I think that 1 here wouldn't work, because those can't add up to 15. So that's not 1. I'm not sure it's really useful to focus on... Oh, 1 doesn't work here either. Oh yes, 1, 8, 7, that would work. Let's move on to this part of the grid actually. Here I need 2, 3 and 6. So this is 6. And that's 8, that's 11, alright. So here we have 4, 5 and 8. So 8 is here. Here I need another 10, so that's 3 and 7. Here I need 4, and that's 5. There, 3, 4, 6. That's not 3, that's not 6. Here, 1, 2 and 9. And here 5, 7 and 8. So this is 7. This is 5, 8. This 7 puts a 6 and a 4 and a 7 there. So here I need another 12. It will have to be 3 and 9. So that's 8 here. That's a 2. That's a 1. So this is 4. This is 1. And I think Sudoku will complete the rest here. What have I done? That's a repeated 8. What is this bobbin 3? Something wrong is happening. Oh, what have I done? This is not a sum of 13. This is not a sum of 17. So here I need another 9. So this is 8. This is 1. So that should be 4, and that should be 2. 5 and 1, that's 3. This should be 2, this should be 9. But then this should be 8, this should be 5. 9, 1, and 2. Does this work? So 3, 4, 6. Oh. I just don't know what I have done. But now this seems to be working, contrary to what I had done earlier. Well, I don't know what the blunder was, but now this is correct. And I should feel lucky that I did not make this mistake during the contest. During the contest, I solved it without any issue, so that's fortunate. Well, thanks for watching this video, and see you soon on SudoKanard.